Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change alphanumeric lock screen password to pin lock password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Here I have already set a password of alphanumeric type. So while unlocking my phone, it is asking that password. The password here is my phone Jicky 25. This is the password that I have set in my phone. This is alphanumeric password. I would like to change this alphanumeric password to only pin lock password. Okay. So what I got to do? The same method you can follow. Just follow my video. Click on the settings icon here. Then go to lock screen, and here select screen lock and biometrics. Now it will ask your current password to confirm once again. Okay, so give the current password. In my case it is Jicky 25. Okay, and click on continue. Now if you like to change from alphanumeric to pin, here you have to choose pin. Just to click on the pin and set your password. Here I would like to set this password 1996. Okay, and click on continue. Again click on again you have to give the same password to verify. That is the same pin 1996. Yes, now password has been changed from alphanumeric to pin only, and while unlocking your phone it will ask your pin. So my pin is 1996. Yes, click on OK then. Yes, it is unlocked. So in this way you can easily change from alphanumeric lock screen password to normal pin lock password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.